For 4 billion years, life has thrived on Earth. But it wasn't until 1958 that scientists finally figured out why the sun hasn't cooked us alive. The US satellite Explorer 1 provided the first direct evidence of Earth's magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is an invisible shield that protects us from the sun's dangerous, high-energy plasma, known as the solar wind. In a special branch of physics called magnetohydrodynamics, or MHD, charged particles in space, ions and electrons, collectively called plasma, interact dynamically with Earth's magnetic field lines. In conventional physics, plasma would just glide past magnetic field lines like two dancers crossing a dance floor without ever noticing each other. But in MHD, plasma and magnetic field lines are partners. Imagine that plasma's flow pulls the magnetic field lines along with it, like a couple dancing together across a ballroom. This coupling happens because plasma is highly electrically conductive. Its motion generates electrical currents that interact with and reshape Earth's magnetic field lines. When these lines bend, twist, or compress, they push back on the plasma, creating a force known as the Lorentz force. This entire dance is captured by the frozen in flux condition. This equation describes how the flowing plasma V is electromagnetically coupled or frozen into the magnetic field vector B. These dynamic interactions, combined with magnetic reconnection and wave particle interactions, are able to deflect most of the solar wind plasma that reaches the Earth. All these processes happen inside Earth's magnetosphere, the shield that protects our atmosphere and our planet. The denser the plasma from the sun, the more dynamic pressure it exerts. This is what gives the magnetosphere its shape, a compressed bow shock on the day side and a vast magnetotail on the opposite side. Billions of years ago, Mars' atmosphere was destroyed because it lost its magnetosphere. But here's the good news. Scientists are exploring ways to create an artificial magnetosphere for Mars. And maybe one day, we'll bring the party back for our neighboring buddies on Mars.